we will discuss this pattern 35. Okay, we'll see how to write the program, Java program to print this pattern. Say if you observe pattern 35, how many rows we are having? 7 rows and 7 elements in each row. Okay, and if you observe for the row number 1, only one number it is printing and remaining all are stars. For the row number 2, 1 and 2 values it is printing and remaining all are stars. Okay, like that. So we will see how to print this pattern. Okay, so first of all I am writing package statement, package count dot ACH. Okay, and after that I am writing I am writing after that I am writing main method. Okay, inside main method I am creating scanner class object. After that, see, if you see this, I am writing console statement saying how many rows you want in this pattern. Okay, we are asking the user to print the number of rows. Okay, after that, so whatever the number they will enter from the keyboard, I am storing it in a variable n. Okay, after that I am writing control statement saying here is your output pattern. Okay, here is your output pattern. So now I am writing one outer for loop for the number of rows. Okay, for the each row. If you see this pattern 35, we are having 7 rows and 7 columns. Like in the each row we are having 7 elements, right? So for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, and j also same. For int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, right? Each row we want 1 to 7 numbers, like that. Suppose same number of elements we have to print, right? So, and now we have to write if condition, like same. If you see this, for the in the row number 1, first time it is printing 1 element. Okay, in the row number 2 it is printing numbers till second element, and after it is printing stars. In the third row it is printing numbers up to third element and remaining all are stars, right? So we have to check like one condition, like if j less than or equal to I. Okay, j means printing each number, right? In each row, how many numbers of elements it is printing? 2 numbers it is printing and remaining all are stars, right? So we have to check like if j less than or equal to I, we have to print j, otherwise we have to print stars. Okay, so I am taking condition like if condition, I am taking if j less than or equal to I. Okay, I have to print j value. Okay, else should print stars. Okay, like that. So if else is over, and after closing J loop, I am writing, I am going to the next line. So print element I have written. After closing outer for loop, we have to write sc dot close to avoid any resource leaks. Okay. So now we'll say how many rows we want in this pattern. 7 rows, right? 7 I am entering. See, 35, right? This is how we want, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So we have to take like see in the each, so 7 rows are there, that's why I am taking from I equal to 1 to 7. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, for j also j is equal to 1 to 7. Okay, that's why I have taken j less than or equal to 7, because it should print 7 elements. Okay, in the each row, that's why I am taking same I less than or equal to j less than or equal to n conditions, and I am checking if j less than or equal to I, then print j, otherwise stars. Okay, so we'll see how it will execute. Okay, see, I'm writing comments first. Okay, so for int I equal to 1, right? So whenever I equal to 1, when j is equal to 1, okay, 1 less than or equal to 7 and 1 less than or equal to 7. Okay, this condition is true. 1 less than or equal to 7 condition is true, so it will come inside a j inner loop, and j less than or equal to I means 1 less than or equal to 1. This condition is true. All right, so it will print j. Print j means how much? 1. Okay, after that j will become 2, right? J will become 2, j value will become 2, 2 less than or equal to how much? 7, right? 2 less than or equal to 7. So here after that it will come to if condition. So 2 less than or equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 1, right? I value is 1 here, so 2 less than or equal to 1. Is this condition is true? No, right? False. So it will go to else. It will go to else condition, and it will print star. It will print star. Okay, and after that j will become 3. Okay, and again 3 less than or equal to 7. This is true. Okay, true, and 3 less than or equal to 1, right? This is false again. If false means else condition it will go. It will print star, right? And j is equal to 4. Whenever j is equal to 4, 4 less than or equal to 7. This condition is true. So, and again 4 less than or equal to 1. This also false condition. So it will go to else and it will print star. Okay, like that. And after that j value will become 5 again, and 5 less than or equal to 7. Okay, and 5 less than or equal to 1, again it is false. Okay, print star. And after that j is equal to 6 it will become. Okay, whenever j is equal to 6, 6 less than or equal to 7, this condition is true. So and again 6 less than or equal to 1, true. 6 less than or equal to 1, false, right? And it will print again star. Okay, and j is equal to 7, j plus plus it will become j is equal to 7, and 7 less than or equal to 7. Okay, this is true condition. And 7 7 less than or equal to 1, this is false again, and it will print star. Okay, in the first row itself for I equal to 1. And after that j plus plus 1, j is equal to 8 it will become. Okay, j is equal to 8 it will become, and 8 less than or equal to 7. Is this true? No, false. So this is failing here only, right? After that it will come to next row, false. So next row. Okay, next row means for I equal to 2. So I equal to 2 also same it will repeat. Okay, so for I equal to 1, what happens? One time it will print 1, and after that it's printing star. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, and remaining all are stars, like this. For I equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also. For all other rows also same execution. Okay, this is how we have to write the program to print. Okay, this is how we have to write the program to print this pattern. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.